So we're gonna be installing this once on a 99 Honda Accord. I made a video of an unboxing. Now I'm gonna do an installation video. So the reason I bought this was because of this one. It was already broken, so it was cheaper to buy them custom than the original. Just this piece right here would cost me like 50 something. So I just decided to buy all this for less than $100. So the first thing I have to do is take off this plastic right here. Some of them are missing, so it's almost off. So I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna take this off. This, I think you just need to unscrew it. Yeah, it comes off. You can pop it up. And let's put this aside. Okay, so now we have one right here. Let's take that off. So now I'm just gonna take off this one, and this one. And I'm gonna be taking them off with, let me check, 5/16 and a ratchet. I took off the bulbs, I think. Now I'm gonna take this one off. Let me see if I can do it with a camera, one hand. This one's right here, you just need to twist and pop off. There's 3 of them. Okay, let's see, that one's different. Let me take it off over here. Sorry, I'm not used to this. Okay, there. Oh, that one's actually connected. You can see it right there, look. Connected. So let me see if you can see it. And I dropped it. Well, that's a fail. So I think I need to take that off. This right here. So this little square comes off, and as you can see, this one doesn't have the same thing to put it there, so I'm just gonna leave it inside. I'm gonna connect it here and just leave it inside because I'm not sure what is this for. But yeah, so it's off. Bulbs. Connection. Okay, that's it. Let's put on the other one. Okay, so I put it in there. Just aligned everything. Should be. No, I'm just gonna put these on. And I'll be right back. It's installed now. I just twisted everything inside of there, put this one's on, and right here I lined both. There are some pins, look, right here. I need to align right there. So now we're gonna start with this one right here. And we need to take this ones off. You just need to twist them off. That's one. Then here's another one right here. And then this one has one bolt right here. And it has another bolt right here. This one right here. And right over here inside, I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it, but it's a clip. Kind of like this one. I don't know why. This one doesn't have it. This one doesn't have it. This one's different. No, it's not. Okay, this one is this one right here. So we need to take that one off. this one, this one, this one, and it has a clip inside of this one instead of this to keep it in there. So let's do that. Let's take all those bolts and that's it. I'll be right back. So it has 3 screws, 3 bolts, and a clip. This is a clip right here. You see that? This one is different. This one just has like a pin. Let's put it on. See, hopefully I can do it with one hand. So that's, oh, I forgot to put this on there. So let's put it on. So we just have to align the holes, the pin, and let's get this one right here. This one. Yeah. And then there's another one over here. And this one right here. Okay guys, so it's done. I finished. The other side is the same thing as the first thing that I showed you guys. So I didn't show it on video because it's the same thing. And this is how it looks after.